Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your VR headset to your EZ360 account. Today I'm going to use the popular Oculus Go headset, but it's the same process with every device. Okay, we're going to start on the portal. So go to portal.ez360.com and go to the homepage. And on the right side, you can find your pairing code. And that's what you're going to need inside the device. In your VR headset, open the EZ360 application and you will find this screen, which will ask you to log in. So hit the login button and it will ask you for the pairing code that you just found. So my pairing code is 9PBYHC and you just hit pair. And as you can see, the headset is automatically downloading all the content from your EZ360 account. Now you only have to do this process one time. The next time you open the EZ360 application, you don't need the code anymore, you just hit continue. So that's how you pair your EZ360 account to VR headsets. If you haven't already, create your EZ360 account today. We have different plans, including a free plan. And if you have custom needs, please reach out to us. Thank you for watching.